In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make amazing infographics with the help of AI. The tool we're going to use today is called Pick2Chart, and here is the URL. So head over to pick2chart.com and then log in with your Google account. With this AI tool, you can not only make infographics, but also presentations, posters, reports, flyers, and more. The cool thing about this tool is that you don't have to create everything from the scratch, but instead you have all these cool templates in your arsenal. Alright, so here are all the different templates. On the left side you have all your different categories like infographics, posters. After that we have presentations, reports, flyers. You also have designs for social media. You can make invoices, checklists, certificates, cards, and a lot of different options. So this tool is your one-stop solution for all your graphic design needs. For this video, we're gonna look at infographics, and what makes this unique is that not only you can use all these cool templates, but also you can use the AI to generate infographics. Head over to your top right and then click on Generate AI Infographic. And now all you have to do is just enter your topic and the AI will generate the infographic in just few seconds. Do keep in mind that for the free version, you can generate up to 10 infographics per month. So if you want to generate more, you can check out the paid versions. It's really worth it. Alright, so let's just write 5 benefits of sleep and then click on Generate Infographics. Alright, there you go. The AI has designed the infographics for us in just few seconds. On the left side you have all the different designs. So select the design you like the most and then click on Edit this infographic. So this is the editing page and everything you see here is customizable. It's very similar to Canva and it's very easy to use. Just select anything you want and then double click on it and then you can do all the necessary edits. On the left side you have all the editing features. At the top you have all the different graphics. So all you have to do is just click on the graphic and it will get added to the design. You can change the color from here. After that you have the text option. Here you can add text of different sizes. If you want to add a new title, just click on any of these and then you can enter your text here. Up next we have the design components. For example, if you want to add graphics and text, you can do that. There are a lot of different options. Right, so all these templates are pre-made. You just have to insert it to your design and then customize it. After that we have the colors. If you want to change the color schemes, you can do that from here. After that we have the charts option. If you want to add charts to your design, you can do that too with these cool chart designs. Another cool feature that I really like is that you can even insert maps of different countries. Alright, so after that, if you want to add your own files, you can do that too. Just drag and drop all your files here and you can use everything in your design. For example, let's change this picture. Just click on it and then go to graphics and then click on photos. And then you can search your images here. Alright, so if you want to add any of this picture, just click and drag it over. Alright, so once you're done with all the edits, just head over to the top right and then click on preview. Alright, so I would say the design looks pretty good and I can straight away use this in all my social media platforms. So to download this, exit the preview mode and then click on download and then select your desired download settings. Once you're done, just click on download. And there you go, our infographics is ready in just few simple steps. Alright, so that's about it for today. That was a quick overview on how you can create some amazing infographics with the help of AI. So do check out Pick2Chart AI and start making your own infographics. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.